In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up taxes on Squarespace. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and open the site where you want to configure your store settings. Once you're inside the main dashboard, look down to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This opens your site settings, which is where you'll find important store and business options. From there, select Selling. This section contains the settings related to your online store, checkout, payments, and tax configuration. Once you're in the selling area, go to Taxes. This is the section where Squarespace lets you manage how tax is charged on your products or services. When you arrive at the tax settings page, you'll usually see two main setup options: automated and manual. The option you choose will depend on how you want to handle tax collection and how much control you need over the setup. If you choose automated, Squarespace will help simplify the process for you. You'll just need to select your country and complete the setup based on the available prompts. This is often the easiest option if you want the platform to calculate taxes for you using the location and rules available in your region. It can save time and reduce the chances of entering the wrong rates manually, especially if you're new to setting up taxes in an online store. If you decide to use manual setup instead, you'll need to enter the tax details yourself. In that case, select your country, or in some cases your state or region, and then add each tax rate manually. You'll also define when the tax should apply and how it should be charged. This option gives you more direct control, which can be helpful if you already know the exact tax rates you need to use, or if your business has specific tax requirements that you want to enter yourself. As you go through either setup method, take a moment to review everything carefully before saving. Even a small mistake in tax settings can affect your checkout totals, so it's a good idea to double-check the region and rates you've selected. Once that's done, your tax setup is complete and your Squarespace store will be ready to apply taxes according to the settings you chose. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.